What is up, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And in today's video, we're gonna be actually opening an AliExpress product that I ordered a little while ago. So if you followed my whole challenge series with the store from 0 to 100K in revenue, you would have seen all the products that we were testing and the ones that we were running ads for and the ones we were making money with. So I actually ordered one of those products, which is here in this little envelope right here. And in this video, I'm gonna be going over, the whole shipping process with drop shipping, how to deal with the shipping times, because this took about 2 weeks to get to me, which is good for AliExpress shipping all the way from China, for free shipping, 12 to 20 day e-packet. That's what this is. But I'm gonna show you guys and tell you guys how to deal with those situations with customer complaints and everything like that. So let's go ahead and open this little thing and see exactly what it is. Some of you guys might know what it is. It's very small, but I'm gonna show the packaging and then open it. All right, so here is the first side of it. E-packet, United States, as you can see right there, airmail, Dongguanqi, Guangdong, China. So all the way from China, has my address there. And on the other side, when you're shipping through China through customs, you're supposed to put a description of what the product is and what the value is. So for some of my customers, they're probably going to be upset if they see that they paid like $15 for this and the value is $1. But even for some of the things that are more expensive, suppliers will actually put a lower price here, because sometimes through the shipping and stuff, if you put a high value, sometimes people will steal the stuff out of there. So you have to be careful, and actually put the name of it there. Only snoring device. It's supposed to be anti-snoring device. But let's go ahead and open it, and I'm gonna try it on and see if it works. Using my Red Bull can as a tripod right now because I didn't bring my actual tripod. And guys, I'm actually going to Miami tomorrow morning. Right now it is Sunday night, and I'm leaving to Miami tomorrow. I'm there for 5 days, and then I'm going to Phoenix, Arizona to speak at the Build Your Empire event. And then I'm going to California to Hayden's house, and we're gonna be making more content and working on the project for you guys. So yeah, let's see if I can open this. I will give it to them. Very sturdy packaging. Open it, there's nothing else in there. Just some like bubble wrap. And here is the product right here. I'm sure if you guys have been watching my videos, my series, you know what it is. The anti-snoring device. Plastic wrap, take it out. There it is. Can't really see much, but let's give it a shot and see if it works. So I guess you just put this in your nose, and it's supposed to stop you from snoring. Just looking at it, it looks like a little, rubber thing that looks sort of like a carburetor. I don't know exactly what you would call it, but let's give it a shot. I should probably wash this first. Oh, Jesus, it hurts. I actually don't think I can get this in my nose. This actually hurts. I feel bad for my customers now. Yeah, I don't know. Those things are way too big to fit in my nose, at least. Maybe some other people it'll fit, but yeah, not me. But now let's talk about shipping times. That's that for that product. I just want to open it and show you guys. So this is shipped by e-packet, or that's just a shipping method to the United States from China and other countries. As you can see on the top right here, it says e-packet up there. So basically what e-packet is the fastest way of, or fastest method usually for free shipping from China to United States or any other country that provides it. So e-packet, 12 to 20 days, like I said, and really the most efficient way. Honestly, it's pretty amazing to think how now you can ship from China all the way to the United States for free, shipping one unit. It used to just be, if you want stuff here in the United States free shipping, you have to buy thousands of units to get it from China. Now you can buy one little thing, this one little tiny product here that costs like $1 on AliExpress, or probably like 50 cents or less to make, and shipped all the way to the United States for free. I find that pretty interesting. So as far as complaints go and everything like that, people complaining about shipping times, like honestly, I completely forgot that I actually ordered this, and I was looking at the packaging and it said it was from China. I'm like, what did I order from China? So I was looking into it and I realized, oh yeah, it was that thing I ordered a long time ago. So that's that, and honestly, I forgot about it, like I said, and 2 weeks later, it arrived. And when it arrived, I was sort of excited because, all right, now I can make a video with it. I don't have problems with snoring, but I was really just more excited to actually get it and show you guys. But if you have people complaining, you're gonna have a very low amount of people that are gonna complain about shipping times. And to those people who contact you via email, all you have to really do is assure them. One thing I see a lot of new dropshippers do, they don't make the customers aware of the shipping times. So what I mean by that is basically on the product page on all my stores, I like to have, a little statement at the bottom or the top, whatever, that tells them, look, it takes 12 to 20 days to ship to the United States, or it takes, 30 days if it's to a different country, whatever it is, I like to make the customers aware, and I see a lot of drop shippers don't do that. So then when the customers buy something and they don't even get a tracking number for like 2 weeks, then they're worried. They email you, they're like, look, I want my money back. Most of the time people will email you and be like, hey, I'd like to know where my order is, are you guys scamming me or whatever? And really what you have to do within the emails is just reassure these potential customers, or not potential customers, actual customers, that look, your product's on the way. It states here on our website, it takes 12 to 20 days to arrive to your doorstep, from our supplier. And then when you tell them that, usually they're like, all right, fine, thank you, whatever. Just send me the tracking when it's available. Or some people will be like, look, I don't want to deal with that. Just give me my money back. And then either you can go back and forth just trying to offer them some kind of deal, or you can just refund them. Most of the time it's easier just to give them a refund and not really have to worry about the stress and that person trying to do a chargeback. Because if you get a chargeback and you lose to the chargeback claim, then PayPal makes you pay like $15 because that's to go all through the bank and all that stuff. It's really just a big annoying process that you probably don't want to deal with. So really, as far as shipping times go, make customers aware. That's the best way to avoid issues. And if there are any issues, people complaining, just make them aware and reassure them that their product will get to them. Like, look, we have thousands of happy customers, and you will be one too when your package arrives. And offer them, look, if you don't like your package when it gets to you, we will fully refund you, no worries at all. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video, this little anti-snoring device. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.